Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Fanatec DD Pro. I just spent a ton of money on this. Plus I got it brought from sent from Germany. They charge you importing fees as well, which is fantastic. But it's the Fanatec DD Pro, brand new, especially for the PlayStation, which is awesome. I got my faithful companion, Captain Dumbass, over here. Let's have a look. Sorry, buddy. That's the way it is, brother. Okay, let's see. You get some stickers. Pretty cool. What's this? What's it called? Instructions? Is it instructions? Right, something like this. Yeah, instructions. But there we go. There it goes. Instructions box. What's in it? Oh, look here. Oh, look at this. Oh, baby girl. Oh, you are sexy. That's how it looks. Nice buttons. People say it's cheap. I disagree. I am not a professional racer, but this is good enough, actually. That goes here. Next, what have we got here? Oh God, this is got thingy-majiggy. Have I got keys? Of course I haven't got keys. Right, I didn't find any keys, but I got this. The next best thing is called a screwdriver. There we go. What's in here? Let me have a look. Okay, a bunch of cables. Oh, the connectors. I see connectors. All the bits and bobs you need to hook it up to your rig, which I do have. We don't need this one. Nobody cares about the European Union. British one, awesome stuff. Cool. This is what we call kid snacks. So do give it to your kids. No, don't give it to your kids. It's poison. Poison. Right, what have we got here? Oh, hello. What is this? How do I open this? Like this. The power bank. Pretty awesome. 1 second, get off. Yeah, pretty cool. Standard. You can buy an extension power cord where you get the full 8 Newton meters of power. I have a normal one because I am cheap. And this, let me get this up. Oh God, this is what weighs a ton. Let me get this without dropping it on the floor. Get it off. Look at this beauty. Direct wheel drive Fanatec DD Pro. Oh, look at this. Oh, she is sexy. At the bottom, you're gonna your T, how you call it, T connectors going there for table mounting and stuff. You can do it on the side as well, right there. Power button, awesome stuff. And this, oh yeah, this is gonna be fun when I plug it in. Let me put it here. Put it back actually, just gently, just like that. There we go. No, maybe not. I need to get the pedals out. Put it there. Right, pedals. What's this? Oh, this is the TV clamp. Sorry, the table clamp adapter. With this, these two things plug in together. I will show you once it's all plugged in. And here are the pedals. Oh, look at this. Yep. Oh, lady. Come on, be nice. There we go. Look out. Look at this. These are adjustable. You can move them. You can put them together, keep them further apart. Let me see how they feel. That feels quite strong, actually. Oh, that brake is. Oh, that's hard. Like a proper car. That is beautiful. The next one will be once it's all connected. So I managed to connect it to the rig. And the rig that I've got, in case you want to know, is a GT Omega. So go check them out on their websites. I think it's gtomega.com. I'm not sure, but just Google GT Omega and then you'll actually find them. The wheel is cool. I like it. The buttons are plasticky. I mean, they're made out of plastic. I get it. It's not the fanciest material, but you know what? It's not bad for what you get. LCD screen there, rev counter there. There's a button there, here. For you press it, you get the settings. I'll show you in a minute. The wheel's made out of rubber. It's good grip. Very good. and this is plastic reinforced with fiberglass, right? Go on the side here. We got the paddles, the shifters up and down. They are not magnetic, they're normal. They're just, you got a clicky sound. Very good, quick release. It's not quick release. You unscrew the wheel from here. Here at the back, we've got, and there's my boy. Here at the back, you get the connectors. You get there for the first shifter, second shifter, the pedals, and a handbrake right there. So fairly straightforward. And then my cable management is not the best, but you know what? It's done the trick. Not too bad at all. Cool. Right, what I'm going to do next is I'll fire up my PlayStation and we'll crack on with a test drive. Right, so I hooked it up now. We're going to do a test lap around Monza. I'll show you the settings in a minute, but the wheel feels, very good. The force feedback is really good. It's I can feel all the elements of the car while turning, if that makes sense. It's better than your Logitech G29, sorry. It's awesome. I will never go back to Logitech or Thrustmaster. Fanatec is so good. It's really, really good. Really, really is. So let's see how I do on this lap. Hopefully won't crash. Not too bad. Don't spin. Oh, we're good. You feel every bump, every lump. You feel the vibration on the wheel. You feel the wheel and the car trying to fight you back when you're turning right or left. It's a complete different thing when you're driving a direct drive rig than when you are doing the belt or the gear ones. It's a different monster. It's really good. I'm not the best driver, by the way, in the world, but I'm not that bad myself. Always beat my daughter, which is good enough for me. Yes, it is. She's recording this video for me, so she can't say that word. Just stay quiet. You can see the gear counter and the speed on the LEDs at the bottom as well. I'm not driving to the best of my ability. I'm trying to show you stuff, but you can see all that stuff. It's quite cool. Right, I'm about to finish the lap. Overall, is an awesome buy. It's not too expensive. Annoying things is when you buy, you need to pay import duty because it comes from it's going outside the EU, which is a bit of a pain. But what can you do? It is what it is. So if you go to Germany, just buy it and bring it yourself. You can buy on eBay, but you're paying a premium. You're going to pay an extra £100 or so. So, anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. I'll be doing more unboxing soon. I'm just started my channel, so support me if you can. Thank you.